This one is a 22 to 18 gauge. This one is a 16 to 14 gauge. And this one is a 12 to 10 gauge. We are going to use 16 to 14 gauge. There's a curve in here, and you're just going to take your splice and you're going to hook it onto, this is the power cable that's not going to be able to move. It's stationary in your vehicle. And you're just going to hook this on. There's going to be an indent, and you're going to hook that on and close this just right over it so the blade is coming over the top. Take your pliers and you're just going to squeeze it down until you hear it click. And you are done with that part. Next, we're going to put on a male insulated quick connect. We're going to take the jacket off the primary wire, strip it, put it in the connector, squeeze, okay, and then you put it together. And you have a solid connection.